Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best underwater sea scooter booster available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best underwater sea scooter booster, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Camolech 100FT Wearable Underwater Sea Scooter. Soft arm ties for hands-free control, fast battery charging indicator, wireless 2-speed convenient control. Read more. Ultra small portable sea scooter designed for easy on-the-go trip. Arm ties included for hands-free control. LED lights included for power, speed alert, overheat protection. 97.2 watts battery, faster charging for stable power support up to 30 minutes. Wireless remote 2-speed switch from 1 meter per second to 1.8 meters per second. 100 FT max depth. Number 2. Camolech Underwater Sea Scooter 500 watts. Underwater scooter electric sea diving equipment 500W motor. Sublue Sui Toy gifts underwater mini sea scooter. China motor sea diving swimming electric underwater scooter as Sublue Whiteshark mix. An ingenious underwater scooter equipped with double propellers. The small and integrated design makes it easy to carry and operate. Swim and dive like a champion even if you are new to the water. The symmetrical design created by the dual thrusters provides balance and agility in the water, and lightweight portability on land. Small, but mighty, it through the water at a maximum depth of 164 feet. Faster and deeper than units costing more than twice as much. Compact underwater scooter, designed to fit in your airplane carry-on, compatible with GoPro/LED light mount. Powerful motor can bring you to dive to 164 feet depth. Dual thrusters provide up to 26 pounds power, reaching 4 miles per hour swimming and diving experience. Long-lasting removable battery performs up to 45 minutes running time in the water and takes only 1.5 hours refilling it with full power. Ideal for water parks, shallow dives, scuba diving, snorkeling, ocean diving, aquariums, chasing with 2-level speed. Positive buoyancy material selection for keeping it floated in the water all the time while you need to pause it or change the battery. Number 3. Sublue Whiteshark Mix Sea Underwater Scooter. Underwater scooter electric sea diving equipment 500W motor. Sublue Sui Toy gifts underwater mini sea scooter. China motor sea diving swimming electric underwater scooter. Sublue Whiteshark Mix. An ingenious underwater scooter equipped with double propellers. The small and integrated design makes it easy to carry and operate. Swim and dive like a champion even if you are new to the water. The patented design and engineering of the Whiteshark Mix is unparalleled in the industry. The symmetrical design created by the dual thrusters provides balance and agility in the water, and lightweight portability on land. Small, but mighty, the Whiteshark Mix flies through the water at 3.4 miles per hour at a maximum depth of 130 feet. Faster and deeper than units costing more than twice as much. The Whiteshark Mix comes equipped with a universal action camera mount, perfect for everything from family vacation. Number 4. 440 watts electric motor underwater scooter. The power pack is connected to user with a leash for automatic shut-off to prevent runaway if you fall in the water. Replace the fin and extend your board with the new. Your SU1P board or kayak gets an e-power boost of up to 10 kilometers per hour. The whole pack of the new weighs only 5.1 kilograms gross weight, and is allowed on airplanes. Weighing only 2.8 pounds. 1.25 kilograms. Our rechargeable lithium-ion battery is extremely light while highly effective. Number 5. Camolech Paddleboard Scooter. Close to the water world. Long lifetime battery. Make your long playtime. Handheld grip design for your diving pleasure. Waterproof design of the transmitter can be fixed on the grip. 1-second unlock. Easy operation. Ergonomic, not easy to slip out of the hand. One key to start. Enjoy various underwater moment. The ultimate modular water engine and sea scooter sea jet with sports camera mount handlebars, underwater scooter swimming/diving equipment/sup propeller scooter subaquatic scooter submarine electric diving scooter underwater scooter diving jet ski electric.